What's up, ladies and gentlemen? I'm Cruger with a C. How you doing today? I got a new video for you. Before I go into this next video, I have a disclaimer. I want you guys to know that I'm not promoting violence, or am I promoting unfaithfulness in relationships. But you got to see this video.
Hello? Is Amber here? This is she.
What the hell is your problem? You better get your, you better get your, you better get
Wait a minute.
you better straight this. You better straight this.
No.
It ain't what it look like. It ain't what it look like. No, I ain't got no. It ain't what it look like.
No, that's what I said.
Y'all go ahead, I ain't got,
No. You
this
knew he
is
was
yours.
bad.
It ain't what it look like. You and your husband.
Baby, you know what? It ain't about that, baby. Baby, it ain't even look like that, baby. What you doing, baby?
I'm his wife.
Well, y'all got that, ooh. I ain't got nothing to do with that.
You see your girl though, she got up out the, I ain't got nothing to do with that. That between y'all. That between y'all. I ain't got nothing to do with that. That between y'all,
No.
That joker say, it ain't what it look like. It ain't what it look like. Oh, baby, it ain't what it look like. It ain't what it look like.
His woman.
They go now. Why you acting like that? You acting all like it ain't. What's wrong with you?
I don't really got a lot of captions for this. Hey, y'all send me some videos. Subscribe to the page. Check y'all out later.